I'm a dietitian that has an online program that helps families incorporate real food into their tube feeding plan. Many families I work with are extremely busy and they need a simplified routine. And using things like the Bolee Bag system and commercial blend products has really been a game changer. The Bolee Bag with a large Bolink cap can be used to both store and feed nutrition, like Functional Formulary products. If you're not familiar with Functional Formularies, these products are made from organic, whole, plant-based foods and provide a variety of nutrition. The Nourish line is optimized for children, and the Liquid Hope line is optimized for adults. So let me show you how easy it is with these products to provide yourself or your loved one with real food through a feeding tube. So first, you can pre-portion your meals into the Bolee bags. The wide mouth spout makes it really easy to do this without the mess. Once you portion it out, you can keep it in the fridge using this white cap to then use throughout the day. Now, it is helpful if it had been in the fridge to bring it back to room temperature. Cold meals are often thicker, can be harder to administer. Plus, a cold meal does not feel that great going directly into the stomach. So just run it under warm water to get it back to room temperature. You might also notice there's some separation, some oil at the top. That's normal. Functional Formularies does not use any emulsifiers or preservatives, so you're going to get some separation. Just shake it for 15 seconds and mix it back together. And lastly, if your provider recommends adding water directly to your meal, it is best to use room temperature water. To feed the meal, you have a couple options with the Bolee bag. You can either gravity feed or use the Bolee bag to fill syringes mess-free, but I'm going to show you how to do a gravity feeding first. So your first step is to take your Bolink large cap and remove this infant cap. Next, connect it to your Bolee bag. With this clamp unclosed, fill the tubing with your nutrition. Once it's full, reclamp. So this piece is what connects to your infant extension tubing, to your peg tube, or an infant adapter, but I'm going to show you with an infant extension. So all you have to do is screw this on here, then unclamp the piece here, raise the Bolee bag, and let your nutrition flow. Now, if you wanted to go a little bit faster, you can provide a steady pressure on the bag. Don't squeeze it too hard because that doesn't work as well. So just a steady pressure by gently squeezing, or you can roll the bag up. If you prefer to syringe feed, you can use the Bolee bag with an infant transfer lid to fill an infant syringe mess-free. So all you're going to do is remove this white cap and put on your infant transfer lid. Then this piece here fits on the infant syringe. So make sure you put it on pretty tight to avoid a mess. Flip upside down the bag and pull on the plunger to fill your syringe mess-free. Then you're just going to tube feed like normal. Connect this to your infant extension tubing, to your peg tube, and slowly give your nutrition over about 20 to 30 minutes to mimic a typical meal. This has made tube feeding so much easier for families, especially when they're traveling or on the go. If you don't use all your nutrition for one meal, you can store these bags by using this white cap. They are safe for the freezer and the refrigerator, and you can put them in warm water, but they should never be microwaved. They are reusable up to 15 times. Just make sure that you're washing them between uses with warm soapy water. You'll find the full directions for cleaning on the back of the Bolee bag. I really hope this helps simplify your tube feeding routine and shows you that giving real food for tube feeding can be easy when you have systems like the Bolee bag or pre-made commercial blend products like Functional Formularies.